Hi, Mia Secret Lovers. So today, as I told you, we are going to pick up the perfect pearls and just a little bit about our liquid monomer. Our liquid monomer is an advanced blended EMA monomer with a non-yellowing formula, which will provide outstanding flexibility, adhesion, and absorption when combined with our Mia Secret acrylic powders. So as you know, our liquid is a EMA-based liquid and not a MMA. MMA is methyl methacrylate, and that is very unhealthy for you. So choose wisely, choose a liquid that is EMA and not MMA. So today, I would like to demonstrate to you guys how to pick up the perfect pearl. So I made a little sketch over here. This is my brush angle for a small pearl. So if I want to pick up a pearl, a small pearl, I am going to make sure that my brush gets introduced into the liquid, and I'm going to empty my brush 3/4 towards the tip to remove the excess liquid that is trapped in my ferrule and in my belly of my brush. This way we will have the perfect amount of liquid to pick up a small pearl, and I am going to keep my brush slanted 90 degrees, and I am going to pat, pat, pat and pick up a small pearl. So if you have a pearl and you can't get rid of it, apply pressure and it will actually be removed from your brush. So that was for a small pearl. For a medium-sized pearl, we are going to insert our liquid, our brush into our liquid, load our brush, and remove the excess liquid only to the belly of the brush. So that means halfway. This way there will be enough liquid monomer in my brush to pick up a medium pearl, and for a medium pearl I am going to keep my brush 45 degrees angled, and I'm going to pat 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to place my pearl down, apply pressure, and there we go. Please make sure that you clean your brush after every pearl that you pick up. For a large pearl, you will see that this angle is at a 30 degrees angle. It means that you should keep your brush slanted more than with a small and a medium. So we are going to have a 30-degree angle. We are going to load our brush, and we are lightly going to stroke off just the excess. We are not going to bend the bristles to remove too much liquid. We are going to load, lightly remove the excess, and keep our brush 30 degrees slanted, and 1, 2, 3. Pick up a large pearl. If you cannot remove your pearl from your brush, that might mean that you have too little monomer and too much powder, and your powder and monomer ratio should be perfect. If you ever struggle to pick up a pearl and it is a medium pearl and it's very runny, give it a few seconds just to go into the fermentation process, and then apply the pearl and remove.